extra special before we make Brinka do this a fourth time for you all tonight. We're going to bring out our current reigning Miss Lamplighter Lounge. Yeah, make some noise. Thank you. Well, you know what? I haven't really said her name yet, so that's okay. But make some noise for your current reigning Miss Lamplighter Lounge. Her name is the iconic, it's not you, India Taco. Thank you. Thank you. Go back and finish putting on that eyelash. But yes. But listen. This next entertainer came in last season, found the WildFire energy, made it all the way to the top while still being so incredibly humble and turning it out every single time with 3 iconic wins in her season. So y'all make some noise. Your current reigning, show your dollars, show some love to our queen of this beautiful space. They are FairySpit! So much, my love. Amazing. What do you think about the showcase tonight?
Wait to see the rest of the season. I can't wait to see what these people bring. My breath already fucking fire, flame, all of it so good.
Oh.
Sexy. What's so sexy?
Very sexy tonight. Very sexy tonight. Make some